One of the things many of my patients ask me is there's some remedies that they can use at home out of the things that they may find in their grocery store or already in the refrigerator. So one that I oftentimes recommend is for colds and flu. It can be wonderfully effective. So we need a couple simple ingredients. One is scallions, and we particularly want the roots on the end, ginger, garlic, and fresh thyme, although you can use dried thyme, and some people even like to add in some hot pepper. So it's fairly easy to make. What we want to do is cut off about 3 half-dollar sized pieces of ginger and drop those into a pan. And then an easy way to break open your garlic is give it a good smack. And we can put in 3 cloves of garlic. Then we just want to take what will end up being about 2 tablespoons of thyme. You can chop it a little bit if you want, but it's not really necessary. And then if you want to put in a couple of hot peppers, it'll really make you break a sweat. Drop those in. We can pour boiling water on top of this, let it steep for about 15 minutes, strain it off, and then drink it, and you will break a sweat from this. Make sure you avoid any strong breezes, cover up, and you should be better in the morning.